Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you an ultimate website where you can actually find out APIs, applications related to AI in different categories. So I personally use this website a lot to actually get unlimited access to Claude, Gemini, GPT, Quen, all the major AI players. So whenever there is a new API is released, this is a website devhunt.org. This is an ultimate website if you are wanting to actually find out new tools which are released in the market. It can be APIs, it can be new coding tools, image generation tools, video generation generated tools related to any kind of AI website. This is the ultimate website devhunt.org. Definitely visit this, and I am using it for past 2 years now to actually enroll or browse unlimited tools. So once you come to the website, you can even advertise your own tool as well, submit this your own dev tool if you have made this. So now to get started, you can start with your Google account as well to simply sign up on this website. And once you have signed up, after that, you will see in the landing page, you will be able to enroll. You can even vote as well. So just fill out the information. So after that, you can see all these APIs tools are there. So you simply click on an individual tool and it will redirect you to that GitHub. As you can see, it's an open source tool, open source AI terminal for cloud and infrastructure management. And with the help of this website, you will be able to get to know about different API services which will be unlimited. As you can see, this is another open source AI native terminal similar to GitHub Copilot. You can directly download this inside your Windows machine as well. So I really like this because as a developer, you will be able to use this website to actually find out tools which are completely free, open source, unlimited 100%. So this is a really good website. As you see, simply you click on that link and it will redirect you to that actual AI tool. This tool can be belonging to anything. From here in the search bar as well, if you are only looking forward for the APIs, you can simply filter out API tools, design related tools, coding tools, open source tools, no code. So from here in the you can simply search if you are only looking forward for the API tools, then also you can also click on again you will see that it's a website builder. Similarly, build ship, you can see that live video calling. So everything is there. It's a API, it's a unified website which contains a lot of unlimited tools related to AI. It can be APIs, it can be coding tools as well. So it's a really good website. You can even inside the search bar, you can simply search here whatever thing that you are looking forward to. You simply type in the search bar and then it will actually show you. So definitely we'll see that this is AI ML API. So this is exactly what we are looking forward to. The one API for calling 400 plus AI models OpenClaw. So in this website you will be get to know random websites which are recently released and it will save you a lot of time. Definitely visit devhunt.org and you can just see here in all the situations in all the categories you have these. You can see enable. You can even submit your own tool as well. This filter out different tools related to. So from this website we have actually searched many APIs, many coding tools, many design tools through this single website. So it's an ultimate website. Whenever there is a new website released, it will be published right here. So you can just see here slides, design, no code website builder. So this website is insane, devhunt.org. Definitely visit this website.